Lesson 44, finding slope using the slope formula. The slope formula is, well, first of all, slope, what is it? It is the measure of the steepness of a line. So slope is just measuring how steep the line is. So it's a measure of the steepness of a line. So if you have 2 points, we're going to call one of them x sub 1, y sub 1, and the other one x sub 2, y sub 2. You can find the slope. We'll say the slope m can be found with this formula. So it's m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's give an example. So let's say we're given 2 points, 2, 4, and 6, 6. So we're going to say, okay, our x sub 1 is 2, our y sub 1 is 4, our x sub 2 is 6, and our y sub 2 is 6. So we follow the formula. We do 6 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 2. So we get 2 fourths or 1/2. So the slope would be positive, so it's going uphill from left to right, and it's equal to 1/2. Here's another example. Here's 2 points, negative 4, 4, and 4, negative 2. So we're going to say x sub 1 is negative 4, y sub 1 is 4, x sub 2 is 4, and y sub 2 is negative 2. So our slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So negative 2 minus 4 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is 4 minus negative 4. So 4 minus negative 4 is a positive 8. Negative 2 minus 4 or plus negative 4 is negative 6. So this is a negative 3/4. So the slope is going downhill from left to right, and for every 3 that you go down, you're going to go to the right 4. You can get xy pairs from a table or from a graph. So let's say you're given this table. These are xy pairs. We have 0, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1. And we graph those. We have 0, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1. Okay, so here is our graph. And if we weren't given the table, we were just given the graph, we could pull off 2 points off of the graph. So 2 of our points here are 0, 0, and 1, negative 1. So we're going to say this is x sub 1, y sub 1, and this is x sub 2, y sub 2. So we take negative 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0, which is negative 1 divided by 1, or negative 1. That's the end of the lesson.